I am telling you every time in my videos. Learn table squares up to 30, cubes up to 15. Then 25 square root 5, 144 square root 12 divided by, we'll convert this to multiply. This 81 will go up, 16 will go down, and square root then. Square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 16 is 4. Okay. Now solve this LCM. So there is no LCM, or you can directly cross multiply. 15 into 12, 180. 27 into 5, 135. 27 into 12, keep it as it is, into 9 upon 12. So 45 upon 27 into 12 into 9 upon 12. Why we kept it like this? Only because it gets cancelled later. 9 ones are 3s are, then solve it again. 45 and 12, it will again get cancelled 3 by 3. So final remains is 15 upon 12 into 4. So that is 15 upon 48. That is 5 upon 16. That is the final answer. So now we have got B as 5 upon 16. So what do we want but A plus B, right? Our question was A plus B. Okay. So A plus B is what? 4 plus 5 by 16. 16 4s are plus 5. 69 upon 16. Check what answer is given in the exam. If it's improper, then put it like this. If it is mixed fraction, put 4 5 by 16. And if it is decimal, then divide it and write the answer. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, you can learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for any competitive exam. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.